The rear door control unit is located behind the door panel. You will need to remove it to replace it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the door panel removed, you can see the control module red arrow beside the power window motor. You will have already removed the electrical connections for the door panel when removing the panel, red arrow. Press down on the tab on the upper connection and pull it out from the module, red arrow. Use a pick and pull out the red locking tab on the connection. With the red locking tab pulled out, press in on the tab, red arrow, and slide the connection out from the control module. The connections are all different, so you cannot mix them up when reinstalling. Press back on the mounting tab and then pull the module out from the door, red arrow. You can now lift the module out from the door. This image shows the two lower hooks the modules slide into, red arrows, and the mounting slots in the door subframe, blue arrows. If you are replacing the rear door control module, you will need to have it coded to your vehicle once it is installed. Use care not to touch any of the electrical connections with anything metal and make sure to keep it in its anti-static pouch before installing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.